Hello everyone, welcome to the Kapil Classes for English session of the class, and today we will talk about that is homophone. What does it mean? If I say the proper definition of that word is homo plus phone. Homo means same and phone has different meanings. It has many meanings also. Like it means here that is called sound. It has a different meaning also, that is called sound. Same sound. It means which word give the same sound, that is called homophones. And one definition also I need to tell you, which word give the same sound and generate the different meaning, that is called homophones. And let's have a look on some homophones. The first one is sail, sail. Both have the same pronunciation but the meaning is different. Sail means that is a verb. It means to drive a boat, I can say, and the noun is that is called sailor. For example, I am riding bike, I am a rider. Two-wheeler, if we ride two-wheeler, that is called a rider. If we ride four-wheeler, that is called driver. For two-wheeler we use ride, for four-wheeler we use drive, and to sail boat we use sail. That is, sail means to drive a boat in the pool, maybe in the river, that is called sailor. That is called sail, and the noun becomes sailor. And the sale meaning is, you know very well, there is a sale on this product, and usually people go crazy after listening that there is a sale, 20% discount, 30% discount, there is a sale. When they listen there is a sale and you will find 20% discount. Sale means when we go to any mall, when we go to any mall and we buy something, they are selling us and we are buying, and sale has this meaning. 8, that is called number. 8, that is called number 8, and 8 is the second form of eat. Eat, ate, eaten, but both have the same meaning. For example, yesterday I ate a mango and your number is 8. Next is son and son. We have any baby, we can say that he is my son, which appears in the east in the morning and it shines the whole day. Male, male. Male means a letter, and male means that is called man, masculine gender. It shows the masculine gender, that is called male. This is why email becomes, after mail it becomes the email also. Electronic mail, you know, shopping, e-shopping, banking, e-banking, it means electronic banking. That is called, it means electronic banking which we send by mobile and laptop and computer, that is called electronic mail. So male is letter, male is masculine gender. Stairs, we use stairs to go to the floor, maybe first floor, maybe second floor. This one is stairs, and that is the verb. Stare means to see continuously, to see someone continuously, that is called stare. I add stairs to make you understand, but that is a verb. But if we use this verb with singular subject in present, that will be stairs. So no need to get confused. Stairs we use to go on the floor, first floor, second floor, and stairs means to see continuously. That is verb, that is noun. Knight means, we can say knight and knight, a brave soldier, a person, a soldier who fight bravely in a war, that is called knight. And night means, we you know very well, after 7 o'clock, after 6 o'clock, sun goes down and it becomes night, it becomes dark, that's called night, and we sleep usually at night. Next is coal. Coal, it means after burning the wood which becomes black, and we usually use it to burn the fire, to start the fire, and we use in like earlier we used to use it in a train engine, and we use it at home also. So that after burning the wood which becomes like one kind of ash of wood, that is called coal. And coal means that is one kind of vegetable, you can see the pic, that is called coal. It is cooked with potato and we eat that, we have fun in that, so that is called coal. Prey and prey. Prey means, that is, prey means to hunt an animal. It means when a lion hunts a deer, so that is deer, that is called prey. And pray means, you know, to give wishes, to pray for someone, for his health, for his life, that is called pray. Wish or pray, you know very well, to wish that is called pray. You can say I will pray to God for your bright future, that is called pray. Next is there, and next is there, that is the possessive adjective used for own, like they are doing their work. Here you can have the example, they are doing their work. So that has the meaning on, and there means that is used as a subject also. And I have made a video on this, you can see the video, you can have the link in description. Like there is a boy, there is used like that as a subject. You can say close and close, it has two meaning. To shut down, like the door is open, you can say close the door. To close something, like maybe bag, maybe door, maybe window, that is verb. And that is, we can say near. We can use it in many sense, that he is very close to me. You can say he is my close friend, he is very close to me. So here it has different meaning, here it has different meaning. That is career, that is carrier. Look at the what I am saying, look at me. That is career, that is carrier. That word is made by carry. Carry is a verb, like teach, teacher, sing, singer, dance, dancer. Carry, carrier. Carrier means which instrument is used to send the product from one place to another place. You can say which instrument, which vehicle we use to send the product from one place to another place, that is called carrier. And career means that is your future, that is called career. So these are some homophones, you can have a look. And if you have any question, query, kindly write in the comment box. Kindly subscribe the channel, like and share also. Thank you very much. God bless you. Take care and bye bye.